Hi guys, today we're building Chuggington Stack Track. It has two layouts, but I'm sure we can make more than two. So let's give it a try. Alrighty, and to help me out today, I have my little helper. Say hi.
Hi.
Alrighty, let's get started. Oh, first, let's say hi to Chuggington.
Hi, Chuggington.
Hello, how are you doing, friends?
Good.
Awesome. Okay, let's start with the first layout. Okay. Can you help me out with this, sweetie?
Yes.
Awesome.
And this would go right like this. Or it's this one. Like this one.
Yeah, that's right.
Push this a little bit and then have the flags would go right.
Okay,
This goes here.
awesome.
And the
What about the gates or swing gates? Can go here, yeah. Nice. Okay, where's our Chuggington? Oh, no. Okay. Oh, we're missing one part. Let me help you out with that.
that will go
Right here.
over
And it has an elevator which goes up and down. So let's keep it up. Alright, make sure it's properly locked. Alright, great. And Chuggington needs to come from the top.
and ready.
Ready, set, go. Chugga, chugga, choo, choo. Whoops.
Go.
Awesome.
Let me go the other way around. There, now where is there it is?
Oh,
Good, you can earn.
alrighty,
Get
let's.
the back up. Like that. There. This makes what?
Let's make the second layout now. Alright, can you help me take this apart, please?
Yes, sure.
Alright, let's make the second layout. Okay. Well, that's at a wrong spot. So for this layout, we're going to put this part right here.
Make sure it's pushed in. And that's just now. This one goes on the other side of the track. So go ahead and put it. And that's
Awesome. But wait, where's our Chuggington hiding?
Choo choo.
Here he comes. I hear him, but I can't see him. Here I am. Alright.
Oopsie,
Okay,
that's
for this
that.
one we have to so for this layout, we need to bring the elevator down. Okay.
Okay.
Awesome.
Whoa, whoa.
That was fun.
Wasn't it?
Alrighty. Do you want to do it one last time?
Of course.
Okay.
Now let me lift it up. And make sure you don't go. Oh no. Hey, I'm going to get stuck. There. Whoopsie.
Oh.
And let's rescue him. Beep, beep, beep. Sorry. Let's one last time, and this one better be good. There. Ready, set, go.
Awesome.
Woo-hoo. Go again.
Okay, thank you for watching our videos. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Chuggington.
I'll see you in the next video.